The next step is I'm going to assess the worst areas, the biggest problem areas, and start from there. You know, I do want to put the entire vehicle together and figure out, again, what's missing, of course, but also find out if there's a spot structurally, first off, that needs to be addressed first before I go ahead and go any further. I know the cab's been worked on extensively. The back panel of the cab's been replaced. There is a bunch of patches in there, so I want to start from the frame up, basically, and figure out what needs to be started with first, what needs to be worked on first.
Tune in this Sunday at 8 p.m. on PowerTube TV.